Unlocking the full potential of Instagram starts with one simple step: allowing the app access to your photos. Whether you're sharing your latest adventure, a mouth-watering recipe, or a heartfelt moment with friends, Instagram relies on permission to access your photo library so you can seamlessly upload, edit, and post your visual stories. If you've ever encountered a frustrating roadblock where Instagram can't find your images, don't worry, the solution is just a few taps away. Let's walk through how you can grant Instagram the access it needs and why this matters for your social media experience. First, it's important to understand why Instagram requests access to your photos. When you open the app and try to post a picture, Instagram needs permission to browse your camera roll and photo albums. Without this access, you'll see blank screens or error messages, leaving you unable to share your favorite moments. This is a privacy feature built into your phone's operating system, giving you control over which apps can see your personal media. Instagram respects this and only uses your photos when you decide to share them. To allow Instagram access to your photos on an iPhone, start by heading to your device's settings. Find the Settings app on your home screen and scroll down until you see Instagram listed among your apps. Tap on it and you'll see a section called Photos. Here, you have a few choices: None, Selected Photos, or All Photos. For the smoothest experience, choose All Photos. This lets Instagram browse your entire photo library so you can pick any image to share, edit, or add to your story. If you prefer more control, Selected Photos lets you manually choose which images Instagram can access, keeping the rest private. On Android devices, the process is just as straightforward. Open your device's Settings, then navigate to Apps or Applications. Scroll until you find Instagram and tap on it. Next, look for Permissions, and you'll see a list of features Instagram may request, including photos and media. Make sure this is enabled. If it's switched off, Instagram won't be able to access your gallery, so turn it on to unlock hassle-free sharing. Sometimes, you might be prompted to give Instagram access the first time you try to upload a photo or video. If you accidentally denied permission, don't worry. You can always change your mind in the settings. Regular app updates may also reset permissions, so it's a good idea to check if your Instagram app is up to date and revisit your settings if things aren't working as expected. Allowing Instagram access to your photos is more than just a technical detail. It's your gateway to creative expression. By enabling this feature, you're ready to share high-quality content, craft engaging stories, and connect with your audience in real time. At Famety, we believe every moment deserves to be seen and celebrated. With our comprehensive services, including likes, followers, comments, and shares, we help amplify your reach so your photos get the attention they deserve. If you're managing multiple accounts or platforms, rest assured that Famety is your one-stop solution for social media success. We support Instagram and all other major platforms, ensuring your content shines everywhere you share it. And if you ever run into issues or have questions about permissions, our live support team is here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, granting Instagram access to your photos is safe and secure when you follow the recommended steps. You're always in control, choosing which images to share and how you present yourself online. So go ahead, enable access, snap that photo, and let your creativity flow. With Famety at your side, the spotlight is always on you. Take charge of your social media journey and let your images tell the story you want the world to see.